come now, eh? You know that Nami won't help you. Come. I want to tell you something.
Bros, as you see me so, it should be say I no get time. As you see me, they walk out, they go like this. And they think of how to go beg my Oga for office.
At least listen to me first.
Oga, I no
wait, he call me. You know when I be your helper? You know that God will put me and you together now. You know when I want help you? See, I look at me like I be agent. I am agent ODF. I help people go to China, to travel outside, to go to Hong Kong, Canada, Australia, even the place where North Korea. People are there. I help them.
Oga, you said you are an agent, and me, I have no business with you being an agent. See, anything you are having to tell me now, you being an agent or you wanting to help me, you want to do anything, it involves money, and I don't have money. Just let me go to my work.
At least, as I call you like this now, you know happy. The reason I call this because I still say you're not supposed to leave this country. People say they get plans to travel. Am I right?
That is what I'm saying, Oga. Everybody wants to leave this country.
Bam.
Especially me. I have plans. In short, if I see anybody that will help me, even if it's to put me inside Ghana must go, I will leave the country.
That is why I'm here.
But you're not understanding me. You wanting to help me to travel, it will involve money, and I don't have shishi. Shishi no gon me.
Calm down. Okay, now let me show you. Let me show you something. You see this? You see this? This one now, he's in China. This one is in Hong Kong. These are people's passports. I'm not be fake. I will help you. I said I will help you.
Oga, see, let me tell you. I'm not doubting you, but there's something you said now. This one is in China. This one is in Hong Kong. And you're holding their passport. So how come they are outside Nigeria and you're holding their passport in Nigeria? Is there something you're not telling me?
No, the thing is that their passport expired. Yes! So they send it down for me. I should help them and renew it. So that is why they are with me. Nothing else. See, just give me 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You're out of this country. See, you don't even need to even spend millions to even travel. 90 people don't know. I'm here just with the just 1,500 or 1,000. Let me start your document now.
Wait.
Grab this opportunity now.
Wait. You say with 1,500? I could start.
Now you are talking. Because
Oga?
now not everybody now they see this opportunity.
Oga, see. Now only 1,000 there with me. If I go give you this one, maybe later I'll bring the remaining 500.
Bring it because you know this is a very good opportunity. Pastor! Hi, your brothers. They are there.
How are you?
See my client now.
Wait, you don't have this one?
This guy. This guy, anything this guy tell you, say you do one. As this guy sure pass federal government. Now this guy not help all my elder brothers, even my younger ones.
They don't travel.
They don't oversee.
They hear now.
They don't oversee. Nah, that's what he remain now. Me, I still go gender.
Don't worry, very soon.
Wait.
I believe you.
You mean say na correct person?
Baba, na your house be this.
Now my house be this. Anywhere if they find me, now my house be this. Now here they stay.
It's the second floor. Not the second floor.
And the second floor.
Second floor.
No, thank you, bro.
Abona, may I advise you? Follow Uno road. Oh, yes,
because you know, don't worry, you should travel.
I don't know that anything there for the boys.
Tomorrow.
Bros, thank you.
Because you go. Yeah,
bros. And no say that's the way they call me. I be like say I no won't come. I won't come, but say thank you.
No,
so like I said, first thing tomorrow morning, I will come to your house and balance you the 500.
No problem.
Bros, help me. I don't too suffer for this country.
No need to even need that. I will help you. What are friends for?
Thank you,
sir. Don't worry.
Thank you. I will even bring more customers for you.
No problem.
Thank you.
You can
okay, if I'm coming tomorrow, I will bring my passport, Abi.
Okay, passport. Yes, you go bring. But just carry your photograph passport. Yes! Bring and come. I go start your this.
Photograph.
You go snap now.
Okay, I will come tomorrow.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
It's free, oh.
Thank you.
It's free.
Boss, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
You go soon go.
This opportunity will give me.
Who be this now, Who be this? When they stop my phone since yesterday? For how much? How much? Hello?
Hello, Oga, good afternoon. Oga, why they do me like this now? Why they do me like this?
Who be this, abeg? Who be this?
Na me, na me where you supposed travel. Why I supposed to travel since you say na 2 weeks? I don't give you money now. You don't pass 2 weeks. You know you pick my call.
Okay, Oga, na you? Come, okay, make I first tell you the truth. Make I dey honest with you. The thing be say the white man wey dey in charge of your document, he just land from Hong Kong. You understand? And people don submit their documents since. So now you go give me like 20,000, make I take shift your paper, come on top of the table. So I think go just do your own. No. You know how these people they take behave now. You know. So now only 20k now they delay me like this now. If you get a bag, send that for me.
Oga. No be waiting me how you talk with this. Oh. You tell me say this is not free. You tell me say this is not free. Now I don't give you 1.5. Now you say I give you 20,000 again. Small. I play now. Money for ticket don't complete. Who can?
Oga, listen to me. Oga, don't shout at me. Listen to me. The thing say if you no want ready for this thing, leave am. Next year when your luck shine, you go travel. If you don't want to leave am, I'll go keep myself for you. Okay. I just say the white man, the man just go from Hong Kong. You don't do this thing now before I travel. You don't do it.
Okay, see, man can tell you. You know say money no dey country, and you know say what they do. They need. No worry, I go borrow money give you. But hope if I give you this 20,000 now, everything go dey okay.
Oga, I go send you my account number now. You go just transfer the money. I go do everything. Now only just one document now remain. Do this thing. Make your devil not follow you from village. Do am. Release money small. Now free and they do it for you.
Okay, send me your account number.
No wahala na.
Which kind of wahala be this one now? Say be now I did my own. This man say na free now. I don't do it. He dey collect money. As you are getting there, just hold this guy. This guy don't do with me. You know how much I don't give him? Okay, that's it. Yeah! Okay, running. Just keep running. If not, anytime you come back, I'll be here waiting for you. Okay, but you know you're supposed to be chasing this guy.
I will come back for him in the night.
Amazing.